Hello traders, you're very welcome to this series of educational videos that FXCM has for you. My name is David Londoño, I'm a trader and also a market analyst, and today's video is about the trading with news, how to interpret news and the economic events. First of all, remember we have the economic calendar here on our platform, FXCM platform right here. I have the economic calendar. Here you can see all the news, the important news. I always check the high impact news, and we were checking the past week where we have three different news. We had the FOMC, the NFP, the non-farm payroll. This is one of the most important news, and my first advice will be avoid trading during this news, and I'll show you on the charts why. First of all, I want to show you that we had a clear downtrend or a bearish trend right here. Usually when we have this type of trends and we have a capture of the buy side liquidity, then we have a movement on the trend, right? But what happened during this news? We can see that we have a daily right here. I want to show you just to understand what we are watching. This is the Euro USD 30 minutes time frame last week. Here we can see the weekends just for you to have visual confirmation. And this is the breakdown of each calendar day. So what we can see here during those news is that we had, as I was telling you before, we had the buy side liquidity taken right there. So we could be expecting sells attacking the sell side and just continuing the downtrend. But what we had during this news is what usually known as erase the board, because the price was attacking not only after this buy side liquidity, it started to attack all sell side liquidity, and then on the NFP we capture again buy side liquidity. So it captured liquidity in both directions. So it was very difficult for us as traders or day traders to understand what the trend was going on and where it will have gone. And we can see the NFP, as I was telling you before, one of the most important news. We can see how it moved the entire weekly range on one single candle, the entire weekly range. So my advice for you is try to, if you want to operate those days, try to do it to be out of the market before and around 10 to 15 minutes after the news. After the news, we can see after the FOMC, the price just, the sentiment was neutral right there. We had a capture on the buy side, and then we could go to capture sell side again. Right here, once again, we had this entry on the fair value gap we had for the news. We can see this capture here, and then we continue with downtrend. Always be out, because it's very common that you will be stuck. Your trades will be stuck, and if you don't have your stop loss well placed, well, it will be a disaster for your account. So the main advice for the news is avoid trading during those news. Always check the calendar, always know when it is going to take place, and that way you can be safe on your trading. That will be all for this video. If you like, don't forget to share and subscribe, and also click on the like button. I will see you in the next trading session, guys.